Welcome back to Touch Trove, your go-to source for tech insights and updates. Today, we're diving into Samsung's latest moves, where rumors suggest a groundbreaking change. They might drop the iconic Galaxy branding for their flagship phones. That's right, after years of leading with Galaxy, Samsung could be considering a fresh start. According to sources like Revolutionize, Samsung is reportedly exploring a new identity for their top-tier devices, a move that could position them like Lexus under Toyota or Genesis under Hyundai. It's a bold attempt to set their premium line apart from the broader Galaxy lineup. As we head into January, Samsung is gearing up to release the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra. But here's the twist: this rebranding might help their flagship stand out better, especially since they currently have 5 lines under the Galaxy name: Z, S, A, M, and F series. And beyond phones, the Galaxy brand also covers earbuds, smartwatches, tablets, and even the new Galaxy Ring. Why this change? Younger users reportedly see Galaxy as less powerful compared to iPhones, especially since they encounter Galaxy devices across all price ranges. And while Samsung and Apple dominate the US smartphone market, Apple leads with 57.3% market share compared to Samsung's 23.2%. Even in Korea, Samsung's home turf, over 60% of younger users prefer iPhones. Samsung's Vice President Jenny Han recently emphasized that innovation is key to staying competitive. And as we look toward 2025, all eyes are on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which could still carry the Galaxy name but is expected to set new standards. So what's coming with the S25 Ultra? Here's a quick rundown of what's rumored. Snapdragon 8 Elite chip: Samsung's aiming to bring power and efficiency to match Apple's A-series processors. Refined design: expect slightly rounded corners, titanium finish, and a slimmer, lighter feel. Camera boosts: the S25 Ultra may feature an improved 50MP ultrawide camera while retaining its powerful 200MP main sensor. Battery and charging: the reliable 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging are expected to stick around. Software and AI features: out of the box, Android 15 with One UI 7 will bring new AI tricks and fresh features. Samsung's trying to stay ahead, and we're here for it. If you're excited about the S25 Ultra, hit that like button and tell us in the comments what feature you're most hyped about. Thanks for watching Touch Trove. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out.